Hello and welcome everybody. My name is Ahmed. I'm going to show you how to connect Power BI with Twitter API in a direct way, in the simplest way you can. First, my English is not very good, but I'm going to try to make you understand how to connect Power BI with Twitter API in the easiest way I can show you. Okay. First, you need to create an app at the Twitter developer. This topic is covered already before, and there is many topics and articles and videos talking about how to create app in Twitter developer. So I'm going to start from this point, not creating the app. This is my app Masterworks POC, and I'm starting from the keys and token. I have a keys here from my account and tokens. Okay, it will easy to create this app. You can see a lot of videos about this. Okay, so I'm going to second. I will need a Twitter API URL and Postman program. You can download Postman program from here. Okay. Because I'm going to use it to generate my authorization code, okay, and test my API. And from Twitter, I'm going to use here get statuses user timeline. This API will return the tweets, 20 tweets for a specific account on Twitter. My showcase will be on NASA account to retrieve the tweets from NASA account. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to open a Postman program. After download and set up the Postman, here you can create a new collection, to name it YouTube Layer. Okay, create it and add the collection. Here you create new request and put it, from here, right click, add request. Okay, I'm going to rename it Power BI to Twitter API. Okay, I'm going to save it. I'm going to click on it. So first, it comes with enter requests URL. This URL, I'm going to use the API URL from here. Okay, so this is my API, and I'm going to take the URL, copy it, and put it here. Back to the API. Down there you will find the parameters, name, and it's required. Okay, I'm going and just put a description for the. I'm going to take this parameter, and in the query parameters after under key, I'm going to put the parameter name, and the value will be test, and screen name or user ID. I'm going to use screen name for the NASA account. So I'm going to copy this parameter name, screen name, and the value, I'm going to get the value from NASA account. It's the value after the @ This is the screen name, guys. Okay, this is the screen name, and there is a site return the Twitter user ID if you want to use user ID, but I'm going to use screen name. It is the same. Okay, so the screen name is NASA. Okay, the value NASA. Okay, those are the two parameters I'm going to use. Okay, now for the authorization, from this drop down list, I'm going to choose O authorization 1.0. Okay, it will open this panel, and you can find consumer key, consumer secret, access token, token secret. Because I have made this before, it's already saved, but those 4 is my keys there: first, second, third, fourth. Okay, as you can see, first one 87OUMOEW, and here 87OUMOEW. So those 4 is the same this 4. Okay, you don't have to show your keys or token or to anyone, but by the way, I'm going to regenerate it after making this video, so it's not will make any security issue for me. Okay, but just I'm going to hint, I need to hint about this. Okay, back to Postman. This is my security keys, and for this advanced nouns, I have read an article about nouns. You need to put 32 character, random character, 32 random character, 32. Okay, so I generate any character, 32 any character, and for realm again I put test. Okay, those are for the keys. So the type authorization 1.0, this is for the type, and add authorization data to. From this drop down list, you need to change it to request header, because it will request body and request URL by the default. You will change it to request header. Okay, request header, and after this I'm going to note this tab headers. So when I'm going to click preview request, it will affect these headers. Okay, I'm going to preview request. As you can see, headers come with one in the green. I'm going to show you why I need this in the header. So now I'm going to run the API and see the returned data. So I put 2 parameters and securities, and now let's test the API. Okay, as you can see, it returns with the tweets of the NASA account. It will return with 20 tweets of the account, and this is the JSON returned from the API. I can view this JSON in an online JSON viewer. Here I have opened this before. JSON viewer.stack.hu. You can put JSON viewer on the Google, and it will be the first result return. I'm going to delete this and put my new API and see the data. So from 0 to 19, it 20 record tweets basically. Okay, this is the tweet, and I'm going to work on the tweet and the retweet count and favorite count. Okay, let's now open our Power BI program and see how to connect with this API after we prepared it. Sorry for my English. Okay, let's close this, and from home I'm going to click on get data, choose web, click on advanced. Okay, first URL parts we will return to Postman, and let's go up and copy this URL from Postman. From Postman, not from the API web page, because the Postman parameters already put it in the URL. Okay, return it to here. I'm going to put this here. Okay, so this is the first thing to do. It's to put the URL from Postman. And the second thing is HTTP request header parameter. From this drop down list, I'm going to choose authorization, and the value I'm going to get it from Postman. Click on Postman and headers. Okay, and from headers you will find temporary headers. Click on this arrow. You will find authorization and the value. What I need here, this value, I've already prepared the authorization, and for the value, get it from Postman. This string, copy it, and paste it in this box, and click OK. And your data now here. So this is our data. I'm going to click on to table to put this data in a table. To table. Okay. Let's now a column. Click on this arrow and click OK again. So this is our data. The text, it's the tweet itself, and some links on the tweets, I think. Sorry. So I'm going to use text, and here retweet count and favorite count. There is a lot of data here you can expand from here. This record, it's mean a many data for the same row. So for this row there is a many data here, so you can expand the record. Okay, and if you expand the record, all the raw data value will repeat for the expanded data. Okay, but I'm not going to use anything from this data. I'm going to use the text, which is a tweet here, and retweet count and favorite count. Okay guys, this is just a key for how to connect Power BI to Twitter API. You can do a lot of things, a lot of demos by yourself. Just a key. I put your hand on the key. Okay, after this I'm going to close and apply. I'm going to use this table for my dashboard, and let's see how or what we may do about this data. So you can rename this column after you retrieve the data from. I'm going to put stacked column chart. Maybe stacked column will cover my need. Okay, don't know why Power BI looks like this with me. Okay, I'm going to click on stacked column. I'm going to put the text as an axis and retweet count as a value. Okay, I need to change the retweet count to be a decimal column. From modeling, I checked the retweet count. I'm going to change it to decimal. Yes. Okay. put it the value. Okay, so this tweet takes got 1140 retweet, and this and this and this. I'm going to put another one for the favorite. Text, and again for the where is the favorite? Favorite, yes, favorite count. First I need to change the type for the decimal to decimal, and put the value, put it as a value here. Okay, now you can see the retweet count and favorite count for the tweets. Okay, this is a direct sample. You can do a lot of stuff, of course you can do a lot of things in your dashboard with this. Just put your hand on the key, and I hope you can, and I hope you understand me. My English is not very good, it's not my main language, and I'm not very good in it, but I hope you understand my tutorial, and I hope you create another tutorial, another demos for this API. I'm going to make another video in a few days about how to connect with Google API, not Twitter, Google API. Okay, thank you, and I hope you have a good day. Thank you.